Nautical Boat Club is the world's first and only boating country club, providing a more affordable and convenient alternative to boat ownership. With a membership to Nautical Boat Club, members can have all the fun and excitement of owning a boat without any of the hassle. From luxury tritoons and sport boats to tournament wake boats like Malibu and Mastercraft, Nautical Boat Club has a boat for every occasion, giving you the freedom to take your crew out for a pontoon picnic on a Wednesday, then practice your wake surfing skills on Saturday. Nautical Boat Club members also receive complimentary use of all life jackets and water toys to make the most of your time on the water. From tubes to wakeboards, whatever toys you need will be waiting for you on the boat when you're ready to hit the lake. Our friendly staff also takes care of all the maintenance and cleanup, allowing you to focus on having a great time with your crew. Nautical Boat Club provides members with the best possible fleet of modern name-brand boats. By adding and replacing boats every year with brand new ones, members get to enjoy an ongoing variety of some of the nicest boats on the water. With multiple Nautical Boat Clubs nationwide, members can experience boating on some of the best waterways in the country, all at no extra cost. It doesn't matter if you're brand new to boating or if you're a seasoned captain, Nautical Boat Club will provide comprehensive one-on-one training for every member to make sure you feel comfortable and confident out on the water. So whether you're cheering on the kids, fighting to be the king of the inner tube, or taking a sunset cruise with your first mate, being a member at Nautical Boat Club means you can make lifelong memories on the lake without buying a boat. So don't buy a boat, join the club. Nautical Boat Club.